Now today we're going to do log solving, and let's look at a case where they already have the same base. So as you can see here, we have 2 log 8 base p minus log 4 base p equals to 2, and we're going to solve for p. Now from here we can see that we have the log terms on the left hand side. We will try to combine them into one single log term, and it's going to be quite simple because we just have to use the laws of the log. Because we have the base being the same, it makes it a lot easier. Now always remember, before you can do any kind of using the product or the quotient, you must make sure that you have no other coefficient in front of the log. So this is like your rabbit, alright? Before you can combine them together, let the rabbit jump up so that it doesn't get killed in the process, alright? So what you're going to have is that this 2, you use the power rule, so you have log 8 squared to base p minus log 4 base p is equals to 2. Now on the left hand side here, I'll realize that, hey, I have both base p and this is your subtract here, so which means I can use the quotient, okay, the quotient law, so which means that I have log base p, and this will be 8 squared, which is 64. This one, the minus, is actually a division, and this is a 4 here. Alright, now I can simplify this, so 64 divided by 4 is actually 16. Now remember, we have learned how to change from log form to exponent form and vice versa. So in this case here, if I remove the log, the p will go and push up the 2. So I have 16 equals to p squared. So once I have that, I can have p is equals to, don't forget, I do have either 4 or negative 4. Square root, you have to take into consideration you have the positive and the negative. Now, when you actually have this, right, for log especially, you have to check whether it's valid, alright? Is it defined? How do you check? Now, p can be either 4 or negative 4. Now, let's look at this one here. P is actually the base, right? The base of the log. So, in this case here, in order for it to be defined, I cannot have the negative 4. So, this one here will be rejected. So, therefore, the only one that is valid is p equals to 4.